Hi students, welcome to the class. In today's class we are discussing class 10 mathematics linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.5. I'll do 4 problems in this class. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.5. Problem number 1. X minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. From these two equations, we need to write a1. a1 is equal to coefficient of x, 1. b1 is equal to coefficient of y, minus 3. Okay. c1 is equal to constant, minus 3. Then from the second equation, a2 is equal to coefficient of x, 3. b2 is equal to minus 9. c2 is equal to minus 2. After writing all the values, a1 by a2, a1 1 by 3, then b1 by b2, minus 3 by minus 9, minus minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 3s are 1 by 3, c1 by c2, minus 3 by minus 2, minus minus cancel, 3 by 2. From this we observe that a1 by a2, b1 by b2 are same answers, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Therefore, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, the pair of equations has no solution. Therefore, the pair of equations has no solutions because they are parallel. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Second question. 2x plus y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So here a1 coefficient of x, how much? 2. Okay. b1 is equal to 1. c1 is equal to, taking this 5 to the left side, minus 5. Then a2 is equal to 3. b2 is equal to coefficient of y, 2. c2 is equal to, taking 8 to the left side, minus 8. Okay. Now a1 by a2, 2 by 3. b1 by b2, 1 by 2. c1 by c2, minus 5 by minus 8, minus minus cancel, 5 by 8. We observe that none of the values are equal to one another. That is, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, altogether not equal to c1 by c2. c1 by c2. So therefore, it has a unique, it has a unique solution. So now we are going to find that unique solution by using cross multiplication method. Now since it has unique solution, we will find that solution by cross multiplication method. For that we need to write them in the standard form. For that I will write it as 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we need to write by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. Okay. First we will write x divided by coefficient, x divided by, next y divided by, then constant 1 divided by. We will write all the three values. First x divided by, y divided by, 1 divided by. Equal sign in between. In between there is an equal sign. Okay. For x divided by, close the coefficients of x. X divided by y. For x divided by y, close the coefficients of y and write the coefficients and constants of the remaining values. So what are the remaining values? Coefficient of y 1, minus 5, 2, minus 8. I will repeat this once again. For x, delete this x. Write the remaining values. What are the remaining values? 1, minus 5, plus 2, minus 8. Leave it. Next one. For y, delete this y. Delete this y now. But after deleting this, we should start from this one. We should write first right side and then this value. Okay? I will delete this. What are the values now? By deleting this, minus 5, minus 8, then these two numbers. What are the two numbers? 2, 3. Understood? For the last 1 divided by. For this one, it is constant. Delete this. First, for x, we have deleted this one. For y, we have deleted this one. For 1, we are deleting this. So, what are the 4 elements left over here? 2, 3, 1. By cross multiplication, we need to multiply these two first, and again these two first, and again these two first. In between, there is a minus sign. Compulsory, there is a minus sign in between. So, this becomes x divided by 1 into minus 8. 1 into minus 8. Minus 8. Minus compulsory. Then multiply these two. 2 into minus 5. Minus 10 is equal to y divided by same method. Minus 5 into 3. Minus 15. Minus. Then minus 8 into 2. Minus 16 is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 2. 4. 2 into 2. 4 minus 3 into 1. 3. Understood up to here?
Yes.
Okay. Next step. X divided by minus 8 minus into minus plus 10. Minus into minus plus 10. Y divided by minus 15 minus into minus plus 16 is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 3. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Next up I can write 1 also. So minus 8 plus 10, 2. Minus 8 plus 10 is 2. X divided by 2 is equal to y divided by 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1. I'll write 1 itself. It is enough to write 1. Otherwise write 1 by 1. No matter. 1 or 1 by 1. Now, since these 3 are equal to one another, I will write x by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. See here. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Next. Y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. By cross multiplying here. Once again by cross multiplying. By cross multiplication. Like this. So x into 1, x is equal to 1 into 2, 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. One of the values is x is equal to 2. Next, to find the other value. Because we know that y by 1 is y itself. Y by 1 is y. Y by 1 is y. 1 by 1 is 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. So, by this method, cross multiplication method, we got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. By substitution method or by another method. What is the another method? Elimination method also. You will get the same answers, x and y. You will get the same answers. I hope you understood now.
Yes, sir.
Problem number 3. 3x minus 5y is equal to 20. 6x minus 10y is equal to 40. Okay. From this equation, we will write a1 first. a1 is equal to coefficient of x 3. b1 is equal to coefficient of y minus 5. c1 is equal to constant taking to the left side. So which becomes minus 20. a2 is equal to coefficient of x 6. b2 is equal to coefficient of y minus 10. c2 is equal to constant to the left side minus 40. Now we are finding the values of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. a1 by a2 3 by 6 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 2s are 1 by 2. B1 by B2 minus 5 by minus 10. Minus cancel. 5 ones are 5 2s are cancel. 1 by 2. Next C1 by C2 minus 20 by minus 40. Minus cancel. 0 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2 2s are cancel. Answer 1 by 2. We observe that all the answers are same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Since all the values are equal to one another, we say that it has infinitely many solutions. Since it has infinitely many solutions, there is no need to find the solution by any method. That is by cross multiplication method in this case. Okay? Okay. Next problem. Fourth one. X minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Since the two equations are already in standard form, what is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Standard form. So here a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 7. Okay. a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 15. Now we'll do the ratio of a1 by a2, which is 1 by 3. a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2, b1 is minus 3 divided by minus 3, which gives an answer of 1. Both are not equal here. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Let us come to c1 by c2 now. Minus 7 by minus 15, minus cancel, 7 by 15. We observe that none of the values are equal to one another. None of the ratios are equal. That is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which is also not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, it has a unique solution. Okay, you can write an. Okay, it has an unique solution. For this, we need to find that unique solution by cross multiplication method. Okay, copy this, then we'll solve. Now solving this equation by using cross multiplication method. For cross multiplication method, first we write x divided by y divided by 1 divided by. Okay, this is a rule to write x divided by is equal to 1, y divided by is equal to 1 divided by. Next, for x, close the coefficients of x. Close it. What are the values left over here? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 7, minus 15. Okay. For the next, for y, close the values of y. If you close the values of y, first we need to write the right side value. Minus 7, minus 15, 1, 3. Okay, understood? Next, for the last constant, close the constants. Coefficients 1, 3, minus 3, minus 3. Okay. Now put an arrow mark like this. For cross multiplication, it is as follows. X divided by minus into minus plus 3 into 15, 45 minus compulsory. Again minus into minus plus 3 into 7, 21. Okay, is equal to y divided by, multiply these two, minus 7 into 3, 21 minus compulsory in between, minus 15 into 1, minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus again minus 3 into 3, 9. Okay, x divided by, if you subtract, it becomes 24. Y divided by minus 21 minus into minus plus 15 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 minus into minus plus 9. So x divided by 24 equals to y divided by, if you subtract, we get minus 6. If you subtract here also, we will get plus 6. Minus 3 plus 9 is equal to plus 6. Okay. Now equate x by 24 is equal to 1 by 6. Y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So x is equal to, we can take 24 to the right side. 24 divided by 6. 24 into 1, 24 divided by 6. Y is equal to minus 6 like this. Minus 6 divided by 6. Minus 6 into 1. 6 ones are 6 fours are. Therefore x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 6 ones are 6 ones are minus 1. So we got the two values. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1.